Okay, so what are you currently studying and why have you decided to study?
I'm currently studying the HLA, Ulster University Foundation degree in Manufacturing and Engineering through South West College in Dungannon. After my GCSEs I began my apprenticeship.
Why did you choose Telestack for your apprenticeship?
So I chose Telestack for better opportunities within a manufacturing and engineering environment. I liked the idea that Telestack built a range of machinery such as track conveyors, crushers, screeners and bespoke project machines. Therefore it was important for me to gain exposure and experience working with these such machines.
What value has Dervla added to the team since she has started her apprenticeship within Telestack?
Dervla has definitely brought an energy to the team that would be missed if she wasn't there. But more than that, she's been key in driving lean improvements on some of our production lines, helping to take them from a static build to a moving staged assembly line.
What have you enjoyed about your experience within Telestack so far?
So I've really enjoyed getting involved in various company projects and been given the opportunity to work independently on different tasks throughout the business.
What are the benefits of having an apprenticeship within Telestack, especially within your department?
It gives us flexibility of having a person we can move between different projects. While that individual gains experience in different areas, we also have an extra resource that we can assign to different projects or jobs as and when required.
What would you say to a student that wants to pursue a higher level apprenticeship or foundation degree within Telestack?
Go for it. You'll gain relevant experience in all aspects of the engineering sector throughout a thriving company.